What did Andrew?
There were the papers.
The papers? Oh my goodness. Come on, we'll say hi. Say good morning. Good morning. No, good afternoon now.
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back
Hi now.
to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our
Is
channel.
Ate naughty?
Yeah?
Yes.
No, I'm happy.
She's happy?
Today is Sunday guys and it's currently 12:06 ng tanghali.
And
We are
Auntie naughty.
Auntie Naughty, yeah. We are going out. Let's go. Ate, Daddy, get ready to go. Tingnan niyo ang outfit ni Baby Celine. So cute. Alam niyo ba kung saan kami pupunta ngayon? We are going to skate paradise. Kasi dadalhin namin yung mga kids na mag-skate. And we decided to invite some of our friends. So, kasama namin sina Irene, Anya. And then, do you think Andrew's coming, Daddy? He
said he was.
say yes? Yeah? And yeah, Andrew and also Violet. So, we're going to meet up there. Dapat makarating kami doon by 12:45. So, alis na kami. So, alam nyo ba, ito yung last thing na activities namin before the kids goes to school. So, bukas Monday, start na sa Paris, start na rin ni Baby Celine sa kanyang childcare. Daddy Mike goes back to work. So, yeah, this will be our, you know, like, to wrap up our holiday na hindi naman kami umalis na holiday. Dito lang sa bahay na holiday. So, yeah. Are you looking forward to going back to work, Daddy?
Yes.
Are you? Really?
Yeah.
Come. That's amazing. I like your hair.
I'm looking forward to making money for you.
I like your hair.
Especially this morning. I love your hair. You look great. I did. You look great. You look great. Work about it.
Thank you, Daddy. Alright, let's go, girls. Come on, Paris, Nicole.
Let's go.
Sobrang grabe, init. My God. Hindi na ako nag-makeup, guys. Yung nilagay ko lang is aking eyebrow. Nagdala ako ng sunscreen because I'll just keep putting sunscreen.
Oh, we gotta go, Bob. You don't want to be late to your own event.
Your own party. Okay, let's go, everyone.
Daddy, Auntie was naughty.
Auntie's got it.
Slimy.
Yes,
Say hi. Hi, say here, Ate Beth.
hi. Look what I made.
Yeah. Say, look what I wasted.
Mommy.
Paper. Tignan nyo, guys. They're very cute. They're actually twinnings.
water?
Tignan nyo. The same shoes.
This is
The
for
same
money.
everything.
Nini.
It's super cute. Oh, super cute. What happened? Sus, pagkalabas namin, guys, nakalimutan ko na kagabi. Hindi pala ako nag-vlog kahapon. So, kagabi, pumunta kami sa bahay ng kaibigan namin sa Bulimba. At late na kaming umuwi. Pagkarating namin dito, there is no parking spot for us. So, kailangan kong mag-park somewhere doon. The same street lang naman, pero kailangan kong oh my God, I'm not looking forward kasi nabilad yan sa araw. So, sobrang init niyan ngayon. Anyways, pinaghintay ko na lang si Daddy Mike doon, tsaka si Celine at tsaka si Ate Paris para hindi na sila maglakad dito sa init. Ako na lang. Ako na lang ang magsasakripisyo. Tingnan nyo, ayan oh. Next to that blue car. I just turned the car on, guys. Nilagay ko yung camera sa ibabaw ng sasakyan. At Diyos ko Lord, grabe, kakapasok ko lang sa sasakyan. To just turn it on, sobrang init para akong nasunog sa loob. Grabe. Ang lagkit-lagkit na oh. Hintayin ko na lang muna na mag-cool down a little bit kasi sobrang init talaga sa labas. So, ito yung ating pa-outfit for today's video, guys. Okay. Ayan. Andito ako sa Kalibunan. Bag na bit-bit ko kasi lagay ko yung extra damit ni Baby Celine, nappy, wipes, mom life. should be alright now. Let's go. Ah, yung upuan. Grabe. Dito. Ang ating baby Selena ay natutulog. Irene is already inside, honey.
Here.
Ate!
And I'll tell you.
Daddy, I think it's the other way around, Bob.
You reckon that?
Yeah, it is. That's okay. Look, Ate, do that. See?
I love you, Lane. Oh. How's your friend?
Hey! You excited a bit?
Yeah. Where's our baby?
Where? Is it slippery?
Yes.
Yeah, you just have to glide like that, see? Careful! Look at it! Oh, wow! Okay, we'll get you 8. Okay? Take the shoes off. How cute is this thing? Huh? Oh yeah, leave the socks on. Yes. Ate, come. Whoa. You okay, Baba? I took a video of you. You're doing really well. It was so good. I saw you. Daddy's in there.
I'm finding him. I can't find him in this.
Yeah, with Celine. Iba-iba yung style ng mga ano na dito, guys. Roller skates. Look at the kids. So, ang cute niyan.
Ice cream. Guys, look. Guys, look.
That's cute. Tapos na kami sa aming skating. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sunnybank Plaza. We're going to Coles first. But yung gusto kasi ni Amy, guys, is hanap kami ng mga kainan. I think this is Kmart, Daddy? It's Kmart. Huh? Really cute. Did you like skating, Baba? So, Amy and the family are also here. Makikita daw kami sa harapan ng Coles. Oh, cool. Coles is just here. I don't think I've ever been here before. Ay, nak. Butang ko, nak, be. Tingnan yung pangalan ng shop na yan. Namiya. Namiya in Tagalog is nang iwan. Nang iwan. Look at that. Okay. You wanna follow Daddy?
Dog.
Go for oh doggy, yeah. Oh, it's not real, sweetie. It's not real. Come on. Daddy. You wanna eat it? And we're gonna have lunch soon. Nandito kami sa loob ng coast. And we're gonna do, yeah, we're gonna find something to eat after that because it's shopping namin. Tingnan nyo. Oh, I can smell. Dito sila nagluluto ng pancake, guys. I cannot. So good. So fresh. Tada! We'll eat it after lunch, okay? I mean, like, after we eat later.
They're bunny. They're bunny.
Sobrang busy nila dito, oh. Tingnan nyo ang queue. Linya pa more. Anyways, nandito na kasi kami. Kaya dito na lang. Yummy?
She doesn't like it.
Carrots, yummy. Little bit, just a little bit, honey. You don't have to bite big. Good
Maybe
girl.
just crushing it.
What food do you want for them?
Hi guys. So we're here now. I'm really. Hi. Let's say hi. Hi. Hi, Anya. Let's say hi. We're getting something to eat now. Hey, wanna say hi? Hi. Let's go. Hey, eating Laura.
Noodles?
Noodles.
Because it's very hot. Cooking. We just sit here, though? Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah, we'll just sit here.
Thank you, my daddy.
I'm not young.
Thank you, daddy.
No, you're not young.
Say naughty boy.
Naughty Bill.
Boy. Yeah, say naughty boy, daddy. Stay there. Stay there. We get something to eat. Maybe we'll see. You know, daddy. We'll see if they have, oh yeah, Vietnamese style spicy beef. Yummy, yummy. Coco juice. Yay! Time check, guys. It is now 6:48. So, ngayon lang kami nakauwi. And alam niyo ba, si Baby Celine ay nakatulog sa sasakyan. I carried her up sa bedroom. Tulog pa rin siya. And I think that would be it for her. Kasi kanina, nung nakatulog siya, papunta kami ng Skate Paradise, ay ginising namin siya. Kasi nakatulog siya, like, we're probably, you know, like, literally 4 minutes away from the Skate Paradise. So, hindi niya nakuha yung tulog niya. She was very cranky na. So, ayun, nakatulog siya, guys. Ngayon, yung naririnig nyo parang may umihi. Daddy Mike is doing his, ano na naman, yung slow cooking niya. So, he's got all his stuff here from post kanina. So, we've got si diced casserole, Australian beef. Are you gonna put these bones, Daddy?
Ah?
This one too? Bones. This one as well. Ano ba to? Basta diced lang. The same lang ako. Barley. Tomatoes. Garlic. How do you call this one, Bob?
Time.
Thyme. Time after time. Couscous. Couscous? Plus, I don't know. Hindi ito para sa slow cook bali, but yeah, this is tuna slices. Got some patatas ni Becky at ni Princess Sarah. Just getting it ready now. Ready na yung mga gamit ng mga kids for tomorrow. At this bag, this hat. Tapos, yung uniform na ni Paris is the same pa rin ng uniform niya from last year. Yung binili ko is yung skirt lang. But tomorrow, I think she's going to wear the dress. First day. So, papalansyahin ko siya. Ito, ewan ko kung napakita ko to yesterday or the other day. Ito yung kanyang lunchbox na pinili, guys. And I don't think it's a good idea kasi magkasya ba to sa yung bag niya?
I'm getting it that for you, Baba.
So cute, no? Lunchbox. Ang ganda kasi may space dito. Hindi naman niya kailangan yaan, siguro. Nak, where's your water bottle, ate? Find it. The good one. The one that says Paris. Ito yung binili ko for Ate Paris, guys. Yung personalized na stamps. Kasi dito, very important. Lagyan mo ng pangalan yung mga gamit ng mga kids kasi nawawala. So, I bought this one for Paris and...
Can I get for you?
Yeah, this one here. Hang on. Tapos, meron pa silang may extra na ink. The name stamp. Yan yung pangalan ng ano. Yan, alam nyo ba? I paid a lot for this one, ha? I think like I paid $70 for this. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo. And I don't think I chose this one. Mukhang mali yung naipad na ginawa nila. I don't think I'm gonna choose panda. But, anyways, ayan. May mga stickers din.
Panda, I love pandas.
So, is...
Mommy, can I choose a panda?
Hmm?
I like the panda. Can I choose them?
Maybe try this one lang, B. And see if this...
Where
shall we put it? Maybe on the side? Here?
Nah, should we do it under here?
No, it's very hard. Maybe here. We'll see all the time. You see? Try to stamp. See if it works. Oh, cool. Right, do it. Good. Oh, cool. Make sure that it doesn't smudge lang. Like that and put it up straight away. Like that, so it's not smudging. See, it's smudged here? Because you move it, see? Cool, it's very nice. Okay, so we have to put it sa kanyang ano. Okay. So, ayan. O, diba? Super cool, ha? Hindi mawawala yung gamit ng mga kids.
Mommy?
You can put on your bag, honey, as well. Here. Oh, this one. Put on your...
I can't do it though.
Here. Just put it there. Okay, so we got that one there. Tapos sa bag din niya, Ate Paris.
Mommy, put this back.
Yes, please, honey. And we'll get your uniform and put that as well. It's so convenient, right? So nice.
Mommy, we'll be there for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. It's too long. Let's see. Take off. Oh, oopsie. Ay, hindi man natin ter. Ala, naunus naman mong Paris. Ay,
But, Mommy, can
hindi
you
ito
show
man nakalagay.
Can you show them the perfect one?
Ayan. Paris. Ah, hindi straight, but doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay. This one.
Oh,
So, that's what we're doing. Pati yung mga shirts niya, lagyan ng pangalan. I need to put name on Celine's.
Can I do it?
Kay Celine, hindi pa dumating yung kanyang ganito kasi nagbili din ako. Pero sa AliExpress yun, it was so cheap. Like, it was cheaper than this one.
This is so cute.
Kung alam ko lang sana sa
love it.
AliExpress na ako bumili.
Mommy, you got the wrong way.
Ganito lang muna yung gagawin ko kay Celine. Ayan sa tag. Tapos malalaman nilang kay Celine yan.
Can you open it? Because I'm gonna put it the other
Yeah.
way.
What you're gonna do, when you put it lang, just like that, and then push hard, and then up
Can I try practicing on here?
straight away, okay? It's like, tingnan nyo, nag-smudge siya dito, guys. Okay, she was moving man. Buling it kay Aggie.
Perfect.
Like that. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Yeah. There, okay? Make sure, Paris. Okay. Look.
Is there anything else? This is so cool. I definitely need to see
Ano
that.
palang uniform ni Baby Celine? Ewan ko kung binigyan nila ako ng shirt for Baby Celine. Ano yun?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I didn't get my face and my ass. I think I didn't get it that.
Shirt ni Baby
Yes.
Celine. Ah, ito yung
Oh,
susuotin niya
that's so
bukas.
Let
Oh.
me see. Can I see? I want to see. That's so
Daddy,
Yeah.
look.
cute.
We need to
Your
know.
daughter.
My daughter. Put Celine's name here.
Mommy, oh my god, Mommy, I did perfect.
That's good.
Perfect again. Perfect. 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 Mommy, look, I got all of them perfect.
Perfect. Oh.
See?
Perfect, perfect, perfect.